Hello everyone. You are all warmly welcome to the LocalWell YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be discussing LocalWell's new and very special feature, the discount lock. How does this feature work, and how does it address the issues pharmacists face regarding discounts? Let's find out. If you own a medical shop, you might know that some products have a very low margin. If a discount is applied to all products, it might lead to a loss. Therefore, you might feel the need for a feature that allows you to lock the discount on specific products, ensuring no discounts are given on them. LocalWell had already devised a solution for this issue before this update, but now, how do you implement it at the user level? Well, if you go to the control center, you will find the second option from the bottom. Here, you will see the option for user and devices. When you click on it, you might think, no, I want to lock the discount. For that, you go to your employees' edit permissions, navigate to the sales section, and here, you will find the option for sales level discount lock. Once you check this, none of your employees will be able to offer any kind of discount to the user's score. But if you have locked the sales level discount, then your employees will not be able to provide any kind of discount on any product from their side. So what could be the solution to this? There should be a feature that locks the discount of any specific product. To address this issue, LocalWell has introduced the discount lock feature. Now, let's see how it functions. Look at the stock section, and for instance, if we take Ziplocs 500, we want this product to receive a discount. So for that, notice there is a settings option. As soon as you press F4, you will see the settings tab has opened, and here you can see the second option, discount. Now, within the discount, you already have this feature. You must be aware of the minimum sale discount and maximum sale discount, meaning you have already set the product, but now you do not want any discount of any kind to be given. So for that, you have been provided with a simple option here, low product discount. So see, as soon as you press the space bar and activate it, now no discount of any kind can be given on this product. Press F2 and save it. So now let's verify whether the employee is able to give a discount on this product or not. So look, now we have come to the employee's ID. We will go to the sales section and add a sale. We have put a discount lock on the Ziploc finder. Let's verify once. We have selected Ziploc find from here. Now see, I am not able to give any kind of discount to such employees. But one question might be coming to your mind, why is this 10 appearing here? You have locked its discount. In addition to the discount lock, LocalWell has introduced another feature this time, named Category Discount Lock. Suppose there are certain products on which you do not wish to offer a discount due to their low margin. However, you also have products that are not selling as much, and you want to provide a discount on these specific category products so that they start selling more quickly. This is known as the Category Discount Block, which allows you to apply a discount across all products within a particular category. How can you apply such a category discount? Let's explore. Let's return to the stock section, and we click on Ziploc Tap Copy, which is an antibiotic. If we assume that currently, the sales of your antibiotic products are low, you might want to give a small discount on their category, so they start selling faster. Simply navigate to a product, press F4 and open the settings. Here, you will find the option for product category at the very bottom, provided by LocalWell. When you click here, you will see products from all categories listed. For instance, Ziplocs is an antibiotic, so we search for it. You will notice a 10% discount here. When we added Ziplocs previously, there was a lock mark on it, but it showed 10% because the category discount was already set. You can edit it by clicking on the edit icon. Here, you have the option for category discount, which is already set at 10%, and there is the item level discount, which is category discount locked. This means the discount on this product is now 10%. You are currently focused on this particular category of products. Let me explain further. Initially, we set it at 10%, but this time, let's adjust it to 5%. You can update it by pressing F2. After that, navigate to the employee section and verify if they can apply the discount and if the discount for this product is indeed locked at 5%. Now, observe, it should appear in the same manner and you can search here. Look at the discount for Ciplax now. After setting it firmly at 5%, the category discounts we had previously locked become visible here. Notice, if you have locked a discount for any product and there is no category discount on it, the discount for that product will remain 0. No one will be able to apply a discount on it. However, if there is a category discount for the same product, meaning if there is a discount applicable to the category of that product, then that discount will be applied. This concludes our video today about the discount log and the category discount block. We hope you found our video informative and enjoyable. Should you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. Before you go, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video with fresh content. Until then, take care.